The question is state Henry's law and mention some important applications of Henry's law. Okay. Answer is according to Henry's law, at a constant temperature, the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the partial pressure of the gas present above the surface of a solution or liquid. So this is the formula of Henry law. So P is equal to KH into X. Okay. So KH is a Henry's constant. So we can clearly see that the partial pressure is directly proportional to the solubility of gas, which is X. Okay. So if the partial pressure increases, solubility of the gas also increases. Some of its applications are as follows. We can increase the solubility of CO2 in soft drinks. The bottle is sealed under high pressure. If the pressure increases, the solubility also increases. To avoid bends due to blockage of capillaries and the toxic effects of high concentration of nitrogen in the blood, the tanks used by scuba divers are filled with air diluted with helium. So this is a composition in the tubes or the tanks used by scuba divers. Okay. See, third application is the partial pressure of oxygen is less at high altitudes than that at the ground level. This leads to low concentration of oxygen in the blood and tissue climbers. Due to low blood oxygen, climbers become weak and unable to think clearly, which are symptoms of condition known as anoxia.